Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Momma Soul Kitchen. Today we are doing a healthy side of eating, which is a spiral cucumber salad, everybody. We're sharing our honey and olive oil lemon dressing right here, posted now. My grandson found this contraption, and I said, what is that? He said, I'm going to surprise you. Give me that cucumber. He did this cucumber and spiraled it for me. I tell you, I'm bringing this to the church. People at the church are going to be like, oh, my goodness, because, people eat with their eyes first, and you want to bring flavor to your salads, everybody. Exactly. Look at that. So we're doing the healthier side. We promise you we're bringing you more healthy eating, and this is going to be even fun for the children to even eat. Don't you think that's beautiful? Looks like a ribbon. So anyway, we added in some tomatoes and red onions and some no salt seasoning through Momma Soul Kitchen, and then we added also some nice flavors of the dressing just going piercing throughout this salad. Now I hope you guys enjoy it, especially you vegan lovers and vegetarians and all that. And just because you need to get the vegetables in our life, follow us on YouTube. And if you really like what you see, we have our cookbooks available on Amazon.com with Momma Soul Kitchen with some vegetarian dishes as well. And Momma Soul Kitchen just desserts, child, only for the sweet lovers, everybody.